Okay, we have Q3, which is a testing program that turns off the LEDs or on based on having the SD card inserted. That's how it works. There's the code for it. Here we have another testing program called Q1. It's a blinking application. It blinks the output LEDs on a 1 second timer. Wait, does it? Yes, it does. All right, but we have to write it. Here's a little Linux program to do that. Hopefully, now that I'm trying to run it in a video, it's not gonna work. Oh, cool. We wrote a bunch of stuff. Hey, now it's running. Neat. Okay, that's it.